We talk about this understanding that happened when the DGMO of Pakistan first initiated the call and tried to speak to the Indian DGMO side. Now, again, the two had a conversation last evening and deliberated on ways to avoid any military escalation. India having the upper hand as both sides focused on continuing the commitment that no shots will be fired from either side. They have also, according to sources, what we are learning, have agreed on considering immediate steps to reduce troops from the two militaries from borders and forward areas. And the officers discussed likely the importance of maintaining restraint and expressed the need to adhere to previously agreed ceasefire understanding as well. Another crucial takeaway that both sides have now expected to remain in contact through military channels to monitor the ground situation and also avoid any miscalculation, because that otherwise any misadventure on part of Pakistan on its army side will now be responded strongly and a manner by India. Now, while the insistence is on sticking to the previous ceasefire understanding, it remains to be seen if Pakistan actually follows what has been agreed upon. We've all seen how Pakistan violated ceasefire within hours of its announcement on the 10th of May night. In fact, last night as well, there were suspected drones that were spotted near Jammu and Kashmir Samba district, and reacting to the news, defense sources told Times Now that a small number of suspected drones were sighted near Samba when they were engaged, and there was nothing, however, to be alarmed or to be panicked about. However, Prime Minister Modi has given out a clear warning to Pakistan in his address yesterday, saying that Operation Sindoor has only been halted, it's only been paused, and if Pakistan is back to its dirty tricks, then they will have to face India's wrath. The Prime Minister also revealed that it was Pakistan who actually begged for mercy.
जब पाकिस्तान की तरफ से गुहार लगाई गई, पाकिस्तान की तरफ से जब ये कहा गया कि उसकी ओर से आगे कोई आतंकी गतिविधि और सैन्य दुस्साहस नहीं दिखाया जाएगा, तो भारत ने भी उस पर विचार किया। और मैं फिर दोहरा रहा हूं, हमने पाकिस्तान के आतंकी और सैन्य ठिकानों पर अपनी जवाबी कार्रवाई को अभी सिर्फ स्थगित किया है। आने वाले दिनों में हम पाकिस्तान के हर कदम को इस कसौटी पर मापेंगे कि वो क्या रवैया अपनाता है।